Hi everybody, Teacher Brianna here again with our third Loog guitar lesson. Today I would like to talk about a couple different things. We've played a few chords, we've played in tempo and in time. We've also talked about muting our strings or letting our strings ring out. Today I'd like to talk about a few more chords and also notes, and show you what the difference is between a note and a chord. You guys ready? First, let's warm up our fingers. Let's make our stars. Then we can push our stars together. Ooh, push your fingers really, really hard together. And now just on the fingertips. Can you just push your fingertips together? Now just flat again, put your palms together, push, and back onto the tip tops of our fingers. These are the important parts of our fingers because they are what we use to push down on the strings and make our sounds. So let's get started. Oh, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. So the last time we were together, we learned a few chords, but I'd like to show you a couple other ones that are pretty easy. You can take your pointer finger here and put it right on the first fret. We're going to talk about frets a little bit more today too. See these little lines on the neck of the guitar? These are called frets. And you want to make sure you put your finger on the string right in between those fret lines, like that. See? And you're gonna push, just like you were pushing your fingers against each other. And then strum. You hear that? Now you can move your finger up to the middle string on the same fret. And let's see what that sounds like. Sounds a little different, doesn't it? And what's even crazier is you can take that one pointer finger and put it on the next string, the lower string, the lowest string on the Loog, on the same fret. Let's see what that sounds like. So now we have that chord, that chord, and that chord. Let's see if we can play them together. I'm gonna count. I'm gonna count to 4. And every time I go back to 1, we'll change to the next chord. I'll go nice and slow the first time. Remember, pointer finger on the high string on the first fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see that? Every time I get back to 1, we'll change to the next chord. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you have a metronome at home, you can use that, or maybe you can have a friend or a sibling or a parent or a grandparent clap for you. And you can play and count to any tempo you want. You can go slow, 2, 3, 4, or you can go fast, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, or even right in the middle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But it's good to practice playing in a particular time, whatever time that is. So I'll go ahead and let you guys give that a try at home. But before we go, I want to show you one more thing, something that I think is super cool. Now, each string on our guitar can only make so many noises or notes, so many sounds. So when it is in tune, we're going to start with the E string, and then we'll talk more about the other strings in the next lesson. So this is the high string. High, this is an E string. And just like we put our pointer finger here for our chord, we're going to just pluck that high string. You hear that noise? That's a note. And so what we're going to do is we're going to move our fingers up the neck of the guitar and hear what each note sounds like on this high E string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And you don't really hear that one so much. You can kind of slide your finger around and there's a couple notes in there, but it's not as easy to really play that. So there's really 15 notes. That's a lot. It's a lot, or 15 sounds really, varying octaves, but we can talk about that later, on one string. So that's all the noises or all the notes that we can play on this high E string. So give it a try and do some experimenting and see if there's any fun notes that sound good together, and maybe you can start making a melody or singing a song. La, 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 la. And then maybe we can write a little song next time. All right, well, I had a great time with you today, and I hope that you enjoy these lessons and you continue practicing. And until next time, I will be sending you all the love and music I have from Peaceful Place, Montessori West. See you next time.